In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create a Microsoft account for free.
Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to signup.live.com. Select get a new email address or use a phone number. Fill in your details. Your first name and last name. Next, provide additional information like your country name, birth date. This helps personalize your Microsoft experience. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Microsoft account. You can now access a wide range of Microsoft services, from Office 365 to Xbox Live and so much more.